Hi there. What is your name?
I'm your friendly assistant. You can call me Echo.
So can you tell me how the weather outside?
I don't have sensors, please check your local forecast.
What is artificial intelligence?
AI is the simulation of human intelligence by machines.
Can you tell me a joke?
Why did the computer show up at work late? It had a hard drive.
What is 2 plus 2?
Two plus two is 4.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I assist?
You are a very nice and well working model.
I'm not sure I understand. Could you please rephrase your question?
So can you tell me your name again?
Sure, my name is Echo, your assistant.
Thank you for your assistance.
I'm not sure I understand. Could you please rephrase your question?
I wanted to say thank to you.
I'm not sure I understand. Could you please rephrase your question?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else I can help with?
Goodbye.
See you later.